You're a little doofus, aren't you? You're just a little doofus. What's the matter, Bijou? You haven't been fed all day? Except for breakfast? What? Bijou! Bijou? Uh-oh. Is that someone else coming over? What does she want? Smudgy! Smudge! Smudgy! Good girl. Oh, you both want attention, don't you? Really? You want a big enemy? Come on. What's that? Get it. Destroy it. Is it circling around you, Smudge? That's gotta be annoying. You gonna put up with that? Is it harassing you again? You're not gonna put up with that, are you? Good girls.